Welcome to New Minds Learning Center. My name is Beryl Mohammed. My students call me Miss Beryl. And if you're struggling with math, you've come to the right place. This channel is all about how-to math videos, tips, and easy solving methods. So if you want to know how we're making math easy, stay tuned.
It's like every day.
So, if it's your first time here, welcome to the class. This math video that you're about to see is about how to add fractions in two different ways. Yes, two different ways. What are those two different ways, you might ask? Watch this. So here I'm going to show you how to do this particular question in two ways. So let me zoom in first. So here we're going to do the first way of how to do this one. So we have 4 5/6 plus 4/5. So this fraction is what we call a mixed fraction because you have a whole number at the side and then a fraction next to it. So what we're going to do for this one is, for now, we're going to put this 4 to the side. We're not going to even calculate that right now. But what we are going to do is do the 5/6 plus the 4/5. So I'm actually going to write that question again. And we're just going to solve for this part as if this whole number is not there for now. Okay, so going back to my strategy that I love to use is to multiply the denominators, which is 6 times 5 is 30. So we put that under the line and then we cross multiply. So 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 4 is 24. And then what you do then is you add the 2 at the top. So 25 plus 24 is going to give you 49 over 30. All right, but then what happens to that? This fraction is top heavy. I like to call, that's my term I use. The numerator is not supposed to be more than your whole part. So then you have to put the 30 into the 49. And how many times does that go in? Well, if you take the 30 out, it goes one time. And then what's going to be left over is 19. And you repeat your denominator over 30. So then you see we have a whole number here now, don't we? So going back to my original answer, which 1/2 of the fraction had a whole number, if we take this whole number here and add it to this whole number here, we now have 5 whole parts. And then you have this part of the fraction here, which is 19 over 30. So this is in fact our answer. 4 5/5 plus 4/5 is 5 and 19 over 30. Now, on this side, I want to show you the other strategy that I have for this same question. And let's get into that. Same question, but what we do now is to make a mixed fraction an improper one, you multiply here and then add the numerator at the top. So 6 times 4 is 24. Oh, plus that 5. Didn't I say that? Right. So 6 times 4 is 24. Plus that 5 is 29 over the 6 that you have here. Same plus sign because it's a part of the question. And then you're repeating the 4/5 because it was not a mixed fraction to begin with. So now we're doing the same strategy, which is multiplying the bottom and then cross multiplying. So 6 times 5 still gives us that 30. And then when we multiply, 5 times 29 is 145. And 6 times 4 is 24. So you've got 145 plus 24, which is going to give us, okay, 169 over 30. Now, obviously, what I said before is that the numerator cannot be more than the whole part. So then how many 30s then go into the 169? All right, so we have, well, 30 times 5 is 150. So if we take 150 out of there, right? So it goes 5 times. So that's the whole number there. And then what you're going to have left over is 19 out of the final denominator, which is 30. So let me pan out so you can see the two strategies next to each other. All right, so there we have it. Obviously the same answer. So it doesn't matter what strategy you use, whether you want to leave out the mixed number and then put it in later, or include the whole number, and then just go along with the whole working out with it. All right, so there we go. Any questions, please ask below. Thank you for watching. If you have another strategy, please share. Until next time. So what did you think? Did that help you to understand it a little bit better? Talk to me in the comments below and let me know what you think. Did you prefer the one where we left the whole numbers out, calculate all the way down, then put the whole numbers back in? Or did you prefer the one where you include all the whole numbers and go all the way down while still keeping the whole numbers in? Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. And your homework is also, that was also your homework, but your next homework is also to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, that's right. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video at the moment, which is once a week. All right, I love to hear from you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another math video. Class dismissed.